Hi everyone, my name's Jason Roberts and welcome to my course Working with Nulls in C#. I'm a freelance developer and author. The creator of Nulls has called them his billion-dollar mistake, and if you've ever been phoned at 2 AM in the morning due to a production outage because of Nulls, you'll probably agree with this statement. Nulls can cause a lot of problems, but they can also be a useful construct in your applications. In this course, you'll learn the many different ways to work with null values in C#. Some of the major topics that we'll cover in this course include the difference between value and reference types, how to create nullable value types such as null DateTimes, how to access and check for null values, how to eliminate null reference exceptions with a specific design pattern, and how to leverage the new features of C#8 when working with nulls. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create and use null values and how to help prevent null reference exceptions in production. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic C# programming. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to manage null values with the Working with Nulls in C# course at Pluralsight.